Hi guys, welcome back. Brute here. Today I am going to be doing a Down Perm. I just ordered another bottle of DPERM and I'm going to be taking you guys through perming my hair from home. For those that don't know what a Down Perm is, it's basically a way of relaxing the sides of your hair so they're less poofy. This is a super popular method that a lot of hair salons use to make sure that the hairs on the side of your head lay flat. But a lot of people don't realize that you can just buy a solution and do the same process at home. I did a video a few months back going over the company DPERM and basically what a Down Perm is, and I'll link that video down below. I really like DPERM because they pay a lot of attention to the formulation. I find that the smell is a lot less harsh than other chemical Down Perms that I've used in the past. And it's also super easy to use. The kit comes with this nice brush right here. This bristle is really handy when it comes to applying the product, and this comb is like the perfect width to kind of distribute the product throughout the hair. It also comes with probably I want to say at least 50 to 70 pieces of these end papers that you stick to the side of your head. And it also comes with this humongous bottle of solution. This lasts me a good 6 months. And this is about 120 milliliters, and I really like the packaging. So a Down Perm is really great because, like I mentioned before, it presses on the side of your hair. And then I find that it makes your haircut look really chic and put together. So I just am going to get started on applying the product. This is really easy to use. Basically, what I'm going to do right now is apply some of the solution on one of the end papers. It looks like a cream, kind of. And what I do is you get the brush and you apply it, just kind of distribute it. So I'm just moving the bangs away from the sides of my hair, and I'm going to be applying the product on the sides, just like so. I like to start from the front and then move backwards. And you have to make sure to get your sideburns. Don't forget that area, and then make sure you go top to bottom. I got some questions from my last video on a Down Perm that I will answer right now as well. Somebody asked if you can use this product on your bangs, and I would say that I wouldn't do so. This product is designed to just use on the sides of your hair. My hair looks a little crazy right now. But once you apply it to the sides, you just get the comb and then you comb it through, just like that. Great, so I got one side done, and then we're just going to go in and do the other side. Great, so the next step that you do is you apply these end papers that are super thin just to the sides of your hair. So I'm going to go back to the right side and then just stick it on. And here's the tip, I sometimes like to just apply a little bit more product on the side before I stick on the paper. Find that it allows it to stick on a lot easier, like that. Like that. So basically now you're done. You just have to wait at least 15 minutes and then just lie down on each side, just chill out, watch an episode of TV or something before you go rinse it out. Hey guys, so after about 25 minutes, I just took off the pieces of paper on the side, and then we're just gonna go in and rinse the formula out of your hair. It's really important that you guys don't use shampoo with this, just rinse it out with water. So let's pop into the bathroom. And we are just gonna go and pop into the shower and rinse it off with water, and I'll catch you guys once I'm out of the shower. Hey guys, so I'm just out of the shower and I can already tell that the sides are super flat. I don't know if you can tell. As I shake my hair, this part doesn't move at all. I'm just going to blow dry my hair and show you guys what the final result looks like. My hair isn't fully dry yet, but as you can see, the sides of my hair are completely flat on the sides of my head now. It almost looks like I got a haircut. Hey guys, so I am out of the shower and this is the final result. You might think there's not big of a really big difference, but if you compare my before and after, I feel like it's pretty big. It looks like I got a haircut. The sides of my hair don't stick out anymore, it just lies flat. So I'm really happy with the way that it turned out, and if you guys are interested in trying this out for yourself, I have a promo code so that you guys can save a little bit of money on it. DPERM's formulation, I'm a huge fan of it. It's so easy to use, and if your hair grows out from the sides like mine, it's definitely worth giving it a shot. It doesn't cost a lot of money, and it's almost like getting multiple haircuts. Sometimes I just want to go to a salon and just cut the sides of my hair, but they charge me a full price for a haircut, so this is a nice solution that you don't have to spend as much money for. Also to note, you can shampoo your hair, I think, 12 hours after your initial application. If you guys have any questions about down perms or perms in general or anything else, just leave it down in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to get to you. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and I will catch you guys in my next video.